Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can fill colors in these images. As you can see, these are completely black and white images and will fill colors in these images. So basically we do not have to do anything, we do not have to use Photoshop and do all the sophisticated work over there. We'll simply upload these images and we'll get a colored image of this. So for that we'll visit a website. The website is cutout.pro. I'll provide the link of this website over in the description box. So we just upload the image here and the AI will do all the work. So as you can see the result, this was our original image and the outcome is like this. So this is really amazing. So let's try this one. As you can see the difference. This is really amazing. This is the last one we are going to try. You can upload any image and get it colored without doing any much with the Photoshop or any other software, which might take hours of work. And see the color, the leaves has been colored as green, the sky has been colored as blue, and some other colors are also drawn here, and the flowers is already looking beautiful. So you do not have to do anything, just upload the images and get it colored, and you can simply click here and the image will be downloaded for free. You do not have to pay anything. See, so it is not looking like the image was ever black and white. So this is how this website works, and you can get it like any image you can get it colored. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.